Hey there everybody, High Mileage Rider here. Who wants to know how my SENA 50C is holding up after the first 5,000 kilometers of riding with it? Let's check out this long-term review. Okay, so in the first part of this review, I'm going to show you how the SENA 50C performs on the highway, taking in the voices of all the riders. In this case, we'll have three of us, myself, Heath, and Tim, and seeing how it seamlessly integrates all of our audio onto the video. And in the comments, you can let me know what you think.
So, remembering that this is for YouTube and there is a sensitive audience, let's keep it clean and have each of you talk so I can show how well the SENA picks up other people's voices. Tim, tell us about your trip to Mexico.
The trip was good, pretty uneventful. Did a fair bit of drinking on the beach and around the pool and a little bit of everything. Did some pedal bike riding to the ocean a couple times. Went a hike in the mountains. Basically desert weather. That it was all fine until we got back at around noon and 30 degrees. And I'm thinking, oh my God, why didn't this hike start at 6? But otherwise, it was good.
Awesome. No armed guerrillas on the beach or anything with machine guns?
Yeah, and even the armed police that we normally see a lot of was a lot less of that. We were in Cabo San Lucas, not San Lucas, we're on Los Cabos, which is a little bit quieter than Cabo.
Cabo's the party town.
Yeah, Cabo's definitely. We went there one night for a sunset cruise or whatever.
Yep. And
it was, pretty wild. Definitely not my scene.
Excellent.
Yeah, no.
But the Los Cabos was awesome. It was real quiet. Walk around, go uptown, do whatever you want.
And funny how that worked out. You come back from your vacation and it's now motorcycle riding season.
That was the plan. Yeah.
So in my opinion, the SENA 50C does a really good job of catching everybody's voices, clarity, tone, and also does a really good job with the video. Now, what I'm going to do next is show you some video from some nighttime riding. One of the questions I had with my original video with my unboxing and first impressions was, how does it work at night? Well, I don't normally ride at night, but I'm going to head out tonight. It's about 10:30 at night, and we're going to show you how it does in the dark. Okay, so here we are out on the highway, traveling at 100 kilometers an hour. Again, the GoPro footage is on the left. The SENA 50C footage is on the right. You let me know what you think looks better. As an aside, I'm really liking the new bulbs that I put into the dash. The blue color is very easy on the eyes, yet very easy to see at night. So after looking at both of these videos, comparing the SENA 50C to the GoPro 5 Hero Black, in my humble opinion, it looks like not only does the SENA 50C have a clearer picture, but there is lots less vibration on my helmet of the SENA versus the GoPro. Now, that could be the difference in mounting hardware, but it's comparing what I had to what I have now. So, daytime recording, the SENA 50C has as equal a picture as the GoPro, much better sound, much easier to get the audio of other riders streamed into your video with no extra cables, no extra work needed. And at night, even though I said I don't ride at night, the SENA also has better video and better audio, in my humble opinion. So, as always, The opinions expressed in this video are purely my own. If you're a GoPro fanatic and you think they are the best, that's awesome. Get yourself a GoPro. But if you're open to looking at other cameras, do yourself a favor, have a look at the SENA 50C. I think you might be very surprised at the quality. And as in all our videos, if you like the video, please consider subscribing, liking, and hitting that notification bell so that YouTube will let you know when we have a new video coming out. And until the next video, keep that right hand cranked and the rubber side down.